www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2006 Ford F-250 XLT Leather Crew Cab FX4 Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive monster riding on a 5-inch Rancho lift kit with nice Goodyear tires and 20-inch wheels, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. FX4 off-road package, adjustable pedals, 2-tone leather seating, 6-disc CD changer, sliding rear window, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package and gooseneck hitch, PW, PDL, and PM. Gibson Truck World prides itself on the extraordinary lengths every member of its staff devotes toward making your used truck look and feel like new. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive